Today we'll be making fried cabbage, a dish that can be made in under 10 minutes. Alright, so here I have 1 kg, almost 1 kg of cabbage. So I'm just going to peel off a few layers to cook. Alright, so this is roughly how much I'm cooking. Now the next step is to wash it. So in a bowl under running water, just soak it with water and just clean each of it. Once all are nicely soaked, rinse out the water. Now the next step is to cut it. I prefer cutting it into very thin slices, just like this. So all have been cut already. Now it's time to cook. Add in some oil into your frying pan. Once the oil is heated up, add in mustard seeds. This is roughly half a teaspoon. Now add in shallots. I'm using 1 shallot. Don't need to use too much. Stir it for a bit. Let the shallot cook. Come slightly brown. Now we can add in the cabbage. Stir it. After about a minute of stirring, can add in turmeric powder. So I'm only using 1/4 teaspoon for this because I do not want it to be too yellow. Continue stirring it. After about 30 seconds, add in salt. So I'm using half a teaspoon of salt. Stir it for another 1 minute. You don't want to stir it for too long because you don't want it to be too soft and soggy. It's nice to have it a little crunchy. So that's it. So cooking took less than 5 minutes. Cutting another 5 minutes. And you have your vegetable dish ready. So this is my version of fried cabbage. Thanks for watching. And if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.